Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Day 146 of the 2025-2026 NBA regular season, March 24, 2026. Dennis Jenkins put up a career-high 30 points as Pistons and Lakers 9-game win streak 130-110. Dennis Jenkins scored a career-high 30 points including 6 in the final 34 seconds, and the Detroit Pistons ended the Los Angeles Lakers 9-game winning streak. Jalen Duren added 20 points and 10 rebounds. The Pistons overcame 32 points from Luka Doncic and 24 from Austin Reeves to win their 40th straight and 7 in 8 games. The Indiana Pacers beat the Orlando Magic 128-126. Pascal Siakam scored 37 points and blocked Paulo Banquero's attempt layup in the final seconds to help the Indiana Pacers end their franchise record 16-game losing streak. Jarace Walker had 20 points for the Pacers and Aaron Smith added 19. Banchero scored 39 points for the Magic, who have lost 5 straight. Banchero drove to the basket with a chance to tie the game after Orlando won a jump ball with 6.4 seconds left, but 7'1" J-Hop and 6'9" Shakam were under the basket and Banchero could not get the shot over them. Desmond Bain had 14 of his 17 points in the second half for the Magic. He added 7 assists. The Pacers, who entered with a .453 field goal percentage, third worst in the NBA, shot 55% overall and made 16 of 35 three-point shots. That is 45.7% in winning for the first time since February 11. Oklahoma City Thunder beat the shorthanded Philadelphia 76ers 123-103 for 12th straight win. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander scored 22 points. Jalen Williams added 18 in his return to the lineup, and the Oklahoma City Thunder won their 12th game in a row with a victory over the shorthanded Philadelphia 76ers. Gilgeous-Alexander has scored at least 20 points in 64 straight road games. Jared McCain had 13 points for the Thunder in his first game in Philadelphia since last month's raid. Jalen Williams scored 18 points off the bench. BJ Edgecombe scored 35 points for the 76ers, who played without Tyrese Maxey, Joel Embiid, and Paul George. Trendon Watford chipped in 14 points and 6 of 10 shooting from the field. Victor Wembanyama leads the Red Hot Spurs roll past the sliding Miami Heat 136-111. Wembanyama finished with 26 points, 15 rebounds, and 5 blocks. Keldon Johnson and Dylan Harper each scored 21 off the bench for the Spurs, who are an NBA best 22-2 since the start of February. They led by as many as 30, the biggest margin any visiting team has enjoyed in Miami so far this season. Norman Powell scored 21 off the bench to lead the Miami Heat, who remain stuck in the quagmire that is the Eastern Conference play-in race and have lost 5 consecutive games. Bam Adebayo scored 18 for Miami Heat, which has dropped 5 straight. The Heat allowed 76 points in the first half and rested their starters in the fourth quarter. The Atlanta Hawks get double-digit scoring from 8 players and beat the Memphis Grizzlies 146-107. Nickel Alexander Walker scored 26 points, and 8 Atlanta players scored in double figures as the Hawks routed the Memphis Grizzlies. Atlanta outscored the Grizzlies in the first 3 quarters and had an insurmountable 41-point advantage at 116-75 after 3 periods. Onyeka Okongwu and Jonathan Kuminga scored 16 points apiece. Gigi Jackson scored 26 points, and Tyler Burton added 20 for Memphis, which shot 33% from three-point distance. Bulls raised a 20-point lead in the first quarter, hung on to beat the Rockets 132-124. Matas Bussini's layup in the final seconds put Chicago ahead to stay finishing with 23 points, and Colin Sexton came off the bench to score 25 points as the Chicago Bulls beat the Houston Rockets. The Bulls led by as many as 22 points after scoring a season-high 41 points in the first quarter, but Chicago trailed by 4 points late and needed Busili's basket with 10.2 seconds remaining to move ahead to stay and post their first win over Houston in the team's last 5 games. Josh Giddey added 15 points and 13 assists. Kevin Durant fueled the Rockets' comeback by scoring 15 of his game-high 40 points in the fourth quarter. Durant was 15 of 23 from the field, making the 90th straight game he shot 50% or better, which is the third longest streak of his career. Alperen Sengun finished with a triple-double, 33 points, 14 rebounds, and 11 assists. Barrett leads hot shooting Raptors to 143-127 victory over the Utah Jazz. RJ Barrett scored 27 points. Sandro Mamukelashvili added 23, and the Toronto Raptors defeated the Utah Jazz. Scotty Barnes finished with 20 points, 10 assists, and 7 rebounds as the Raptors stopped a two-game skid. They remained a half game ahead of the Atlanta for fifth place in the Eastern Conference. The top six teams are assured of playoff berth without needing to qualify via play-in tournament. Utah rookie Ace Bailey had 37 points, and Bryson Sabo scored 24 off the bench for the Jazz, who have lost 6 of 7 and are eliminated from playoff contention. Moses Moody scores 23 before apparently serious injury late as Warriors beat Mavs 137-131 in overtime. Moses Moody scored 23 points before crumpling to the floor with an apparent serious left knee injury late in overtime as Golden State Warriors beat Dallas Mavericks, extending the Mavericks' home losing streak to 12 games, their longest in 32 years. Kristaps Porzingis added 23 points while Brandon Posemski had 20 points and 10 rebounds. Cooper Flag had 32 points and 9 assists but also finished with 7 turnovers, including 3 during an 11-0 Golden State run that broke a tie at the start of the fourth quarter. Daniel Gafford scored 20. The Mavericks lost a second consecutive overtime and dropped to 423 since a four-game win streak, their longest in a lost season. Camara posts career highs of 9 three-pointers as Trailblazers beat the Nets 134-99. Tomani Camara had career high of 9 three-pointers and 35 points to help the Portland Trailblazers beat the Brooklyn Nets, the Trailblazers' largest margin of victory this season. Camara made 10 of 12 shots from the field. Dene Abdihai scored 18 points and Scott Henderson had 13 points, 5 assists, and 4 steals for the Trailblazers. Tyson Etienne led the Nets with 18 points, and Zaire Williams added 16. The Nets have lost 80 straight and 18 of the last 20. Brooklyn is a game behind Indiana and a half game behind Washington for the best draft lottery odds. The Los Angeles Clippers turned hot shooting into 129-96 rout of the Bucks, led by Kawhi Leonard. Leonard scored 28 points in 25 minutes and the Los Angeles Clippers pummeled the Milwaukee Bucks. Brook Lopez added 19 points. Darius Garland had 15 points and 6 assists and the Clippers won consecutive games following four straight losses. They made all 18 of their free throws and got back to .500 with 10 games remaining in the regular season after having a 6-21 record on December 18. Garrett Trent Jr. paced the Bucks with 20 points off the bench. Brian Rollins led their starters with 13 points, and Milwaukee have 5 players in double figures. The Bucks have lost 10 of their past 14 games, including 3 of 4 since sitting superstar Giannis Antetokounmpo because of a left knee injury. The Clippers dominated the three-point line at both ends of the court, making 17 of 38 shots from long range, while frustrating the Bucks before they used a meaningless fourth quarter flurry to finish at 39%. Let's proceed to the NBA regular season games scheduled on March 25, 2026. LaMelo Ball and the Charlotte Hornets will try to extend their three-game winning streak as they face Zach LaVine and the Sacramento Kings in the Spectrum Center at 7 a.m. Philippine time or 7 p.m. Eastern time. The surging New York Knicks, led by Jalen Brunson, who currently have six-game winning streak, will face the visiting New Orleans Pelicans, led by Trey Murphy III, in Madison Square Garden at 7:30 a.m. Philippine time or 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. Paolo Banchero and the Orlando Magic will try to end their five-game losing skid as they face the streaking Cleveland Cavaliers, led by Donovan Mitchell, in Rocket Arena at 8 a.m. Philippine time or 8 p.m. Eastern time. Nikola Jokic and the Denver Nuggets will try to add up to their two-game winning streak as they met Devin Booker and the Phoenix Suns in Mortgage Matchup Center at 11 a.m. Philippine time or 11 p.m. Eastern time. Let us have the NBA regular season team standings as of March 24, 2026. Let's start with the Eastern Conference team standings for the 146. 15 Indiana Pacers 16 and 56 record. 14 Washington Wizards 16 and 55 record with 16-game losing skid. 13 Brooklyn Nets 17 and 55 record with 8-game losing skid. 12 Chicago Bulls 29 and 42 record. 11 Milwaukee Bucks 29 and 42 record. Indiana Pacers, Washington Wizards, and Brooklyn Nets are already eliminated in playoff contention. Number 10 is the Charlotte Hornets, 37-34 record with 3-game winning streak. Number 9 is the Miami Heat, 38-34 record with 5-game losing skid. Number 8 is the Orlando Magic, 38-33 record with 5-game losing skid. Number 7 is the Philadelphia 76ers, 39-33 record. Number 6 is the Atlanta Hawks, 40-32 record with 2-game winning streak. Number 5 is the Toronto Raptors, 40-31 record. Number 4 is the Cleveland Cavaliers, 44-27 record with 3-game winning streak. Number 3 is the New York Knicks, 47-25 record with 6-game winning streak. Number 2 is the Boston Celtics, 47-24 record. And the best team in the Eastern Conference is Detroit Pistons, 52 wins with 19 losses and has 4-game winning streak. Detroit Pistons already clinched a playoff berth. Let's proceed to the Western Conference team standings for the 146. 15 Sacramento Kings, 19 and 53 record. 14 Utah Jazz, 21 and 51 record with 2-game losing skid. 13 Dallas Mavericks, 23 and 49 record with 4-game losing skid. 12 Memphis Grizzlies, 24 and 47 record with 3-game losing skid. 11 New Orleans Pelicans, 25 and 47 record. Sacramento Kings, Utah Jazz, and Dallas Mavericks are already eliminated in playoff contention. Number 10 is the Golden State Warriors, 34 and 38 record. Number 9 is the Portland Trail Blazers, 36 and 32 record. Number 8 is the Los Angeles Clippers, 36 and 36 record with 2-game winning streak. Number 7 is the Phoenix Suns, 40 and 32 record. Number 6 is the Houston Rockets, 43 and 28 record. Number 5 is the Minnesota Timberwolves, 44 and 28 record. Number 4 is the Denver Nuggets, 44 and 28 record. Number 3 is the Los Angeles Lakers, 46 and 26 record. Number 2 is the San Antonio Spurs, 54 and 18 record with 6-game winning streak. And the best team in the Western Conference is the Oklahoma City Thunder, 57 wins with 15 losses. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help our channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next video.